Hello all. We are going to view scenes parameters. Scenes can be enabled in general settings. 8 scene outputs can be used. Data type can be selected for each scene output from list. These are 1 bit, 1 byte unsigned, and 1 byte percentage. Scene outputs can be used for 8 different scenes. Scene number to be called is entered here. For entered scene number, scene output can be set. When related scene number is called, enabled scene output will send entered data to KNX bus. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.